Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get free bricks in Babel Novel. Just by following the steps of this video tutorial, you're gonna get the modified version of the app. Firstly, if you see here, I have unlimited bricks. Now that gives you unlimited. Let me show you how it's done. The app, you're going to be downloading it in this website, which is in show of this video. So here it is, the modified version of Babel Novel that gives you unlimited free bricks. Let's go. You need to open your browser and then go to this website, then go to the download button and tap on the download button to start downloading the app. Once you download the app, I'm going to show you what you need to do now next, but to start the download you need to tap on the download file button, and that is going to start with the download. I'm going to show you what you need to do next to get the unlimited free bricks every time you open Babel Novel. So here it is, the app is already installing. Close the app entirely, shut it down, and then just open it again, and then you're gonna get all the free bricks on your Babel Novel account. So here it is, let's just wait together and see if I'm gonna get them or not. Okay, so you can see here I'm getting all the bricks injected in my account. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't hesitate to go and try it yourself to get unlimited bricks on your Babel Novel account. Have a good day, enjoy the bricks, and enjoy the modified app.